Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy crypto portfolio management with Altrady, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Altrady website and create your account. Click on the sign up button and enter your email address and a secure password. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Once your account is set up, log in to the Altrady platform. Next, navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. Find the section labeled Portfolio on the main navigation menu. Click on Portfolio to access the portfolio management tools. To add your crypto assets, click on the Add Asset button. Search for the cryptocurrency you wish to add and select it from the list. Input the amount of the asset you own and the purchase price. Repeat this process for each cryptocurrency in your portfolio. Once all assets are added, review your portfolio summary for accuracy. Next, explore the Exchanges tab to connect your trading accounts. Click on Connect next to the exchange you use. Log into your exchange account and authorize Altrady to access your trading data. After connection, your transactions will be automatically synced to the portfolio. Now proceed to the Charts section to analyze your portfolio's performance. Use various charting tools to view price trends and historical data. Consider setting up alerts for price movements under the Alerts tab. Customize your alerts based on price thresholds or percentage changes. Additionally, explore the News section to stay updated on market trends. You can also join community forums through the platform for shared insights. For further optimization, utilize the settings to tailor notifications to your preferences. Finally, regularly review your portfolio and adjust your strategy as needed. This completes your setup for crypto portfolio management with Altrady. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.